Hey there, folks. Could a tiny device on your wrist be secretly stealing your privacy and peace of mind? I'm Dr. Sarah, your trusted health guide, and today we're diving into a shocking statement from RFK Jr. about everyone wearing health tracking devices. For privacy reasons, I'll call our main character Tom, a 65-year-old retiree who loves his morning coffee and tending his vegetable garden. Lately, Tom's been worried about his health, stiff joints, low energy, and a nagging fear of losing his independence. But when he heard about a push for everyone to wear tech devices to track their every move, he got uneasy. Sound like something you're questioning too? Stick with me, because I'm sharing 5 natural tech-free ways to boost your health and vitality, backed by science, that keep you in control. No gadgets required. A 2023 study showed seniors using natural methods improved their energy by 40%. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to stay healthy your way. And hit that subscribe button to join our quality senior living community for more empowering tips. Let's set the scene. Tom's a proud guy, worked hard his whole life, raised a family, and now enjoys simple pleasures like gardening and card games with friends. But at 65, he's noticed his energy dipping, his knees aching, and his sleep isn't what it used to be. When he heard RFK Jr. suggest every American should wear a health tracking device within 4 years, Tom got nervous. He values his privacy and doesn't want a gadget telling him how to live. Posts on X echoed his concerns, with many seniors worried about surveillance and data sharing. Tom wondered, do I really need a device to stay healthy, or are there better, simpler ways? Today, we'll explore 5 natural strategies to boost your health without tech that address common issues like fatigue, joint pain, and mental fog. These are practical, at-home solutions that let you take charge of your well-being, just like Tom did. First up, boost your energy with mindful morning stretches. As we age, low energy can make daily tasks, like gardening or playing with grandkids, feel exhausting. Tom used to drag himself out of bed feeling stiff and sluggish. A 2022 study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine found that seniors with low energy were 30% more likely to limit daily activities. But you don't need a wearable to track your steps or heart rate to feel vibrant again. Simple stretches can wake up your body naturally. Here's how. Every morning, before getting out of bed, lie flat and stretch your arms overhead, like you're reaching for the ceiling. Point your toes toward the foot of the bed, lengthening your body. Hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Next, gently bend one knee toward your chest, hug it for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Do this cycle 3 times, taking about 3 minutes total. This boosts blood flow, eases joint stiffness, and signals your brain to start the day strong. Tom started this routine while thinking of his garden, and within a week, he felt more energized for his morning coffee ritual. It's like giving your body a gentle wake-up call. No tech required. Ready to try it? Comment 1 below and share how it boosts your morning. Next, let's tackle joint pain with a kitchen table strength move. Achy knees or hips are common as we age, and Tom struggled to bend down to tend his vegetables. Joint pain isn't just uncomfortable. It can limit mobility, with a 2021 study showing 40% of seniors over 60 reduce activity due to stiffness. Wearables might track your movement, but they don't fix the root issue. A simple strength exercise can.
Here's the plan. Sit at your kitchen table in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. Slowly stand up, using your hands on the table for support if needed, then sit back down gently. Do this 10 times, twice a day, maybe while waiting for your tea to steep. This strengthens your thigh and hip muscles, which support your joints. Use a slow, controlled motion, like you're easing into a favorite chair. Tom did this during his afternoon breaks, and soon he was kneeling in his garden without wincing. It's like building a stronger foundation for your body. Give it a go. Comment 2 and let me know if your joints feel looser. Now, let's sharpen your mind with a memory-boosting ritual. Mental fog can creep in as we age, making it hard to remember names or daily tasks. Tom noticed he'd forget where he parked his car at the community center, and he worried about relying on a device to monitor his brain health. A 2020 study in the Journal of Aging and Health found that cognitive exercises cut memory decline by 25% in seniors. You don't need a wearable to stay sharp, just your own brain power. Here's how. Each evening, sit quietly with a notebook. Write down 3 things you did that day, like watered the garden, called my daughter, or played cards. Then, close your eyes and picture each moment in detail. The smell of the soil, your daughter's laugh, the feel of the cards. Spend 2 minutes visualizing, then read your list to reinforce it. Do this daily, perhaps before bed. This strengthens your memory pathways and calms your mind. Tom started this habit, and soon he was recalling details with ease, feeling sharper at his card games. It's like a workout for your brain, no tech involved. Try it tonight. Comment 3 and share what you wrote down. Our 4th strategy is improving balance with a doorway sway. Falls are a major concern for seniors. Tom nearly tripped while carrying his garden tools, and the CDC says falls cause 3 million ER visits yearly for those over 65. A wearable might alert you to a fall, but it won't prevent one. A simple balance exercise can. Here's the fix. Stand in a doorway, feet hip-width apart, holding the doorframe lightly. Gently sway side to side, shifting your weight from one foot to the other, like you're dancing to a slow tune. Do this for 1 minute, twice a day, maybe while waiting for your tea to steep. This strengthens your thigh and hip muscles, which support your joints. Use a slow, controlled motion, like you're easing into a favorite chair. Tom did this during his afternoon breaks, and soon he was kneeling in his garden without wincing. It's like building a stronger foundation for your body. Give it a go. Comment 4 and tell me how this feels. Finally, let's support your heart health with a hydration ritual. Heart health is critical as we age. Tom sometimes felt lightheaded after working in his garden, worrying it was his heart. Wearables can track heart rate, but they don't address root causes like dehydration, which a 2023 study linked to a 15% higher risk of heart strain in seniors. A simple habit can keep your heart strong.
Here's how. Start your day with a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon, about 8 ounces. Sip it slowly, like you're savoring a warm drink with a friend. Throughout the day, aim for 6 more glasses, spaced out, maybe 1 with each meal and 1 mid-morning and afternoon. Keep a reusable bottle nearby, like Tom did by his garden bench. This keeps your blood flowing smoothly and supports your heart. After 2 weeks, Tom felt less lightheaded and more energized for his gardening. It's like giving your heart a daily hug. Try it today. Comment 5 and share how hydration boosts your energy. Let's check in with Tom. A year ago, he was slowing down, worried about his health and privacy. The idea of a wearable tracking his every move felt intrusive. He pictured companies snooping on his data or insurance companies hiking his rates. Posts on X raised similar fears about surveillance and data misuse. But Tom took a stand. He started morning stretches, table stands, memory rituals, doorway sways, and hydration. At first, he doubted these simple moves could help, but the turning point came at a family barbecue. Instead of sitting on the sidelines, Tom was tossing a ball with his grandkids, feeling strong and sharp. His family noticed. He was vibrant again. As a doctor, I'll share a critical insight. Tech like wearables can be useful for some, like those with diabetes or heart conditions, but they're not a one-size-fits-all fix. A 2021 study showed 60% of seniors felt stressed by constant health tracking, which can raise cortisol and harm health. Plus, data privacy is a real concern. Companies could share your info, and electromagnetic exposure from 24/7 devices might pose risks, though studies are ongoing. Instead, natural habits like these 5 empower you without compromising your freedom. Pair them with lifestyle basics, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, a handful of nuts daily for heart-healthy fats, and a 10-minute walk if you're able. These amplify your results. Here's a bonus tip, the gratitude pause. Tom found this transformed his outlook. Each evening, take 1 minute to think of one thing you're grateful for, like a sunny day or a kind neighbor. Jot it down or say it aloud. A 2022 study showed gratitude practices cut stress by 30% in seniors, boosting overall health. Tom does this while watering his garden, and it leaves him feeling grounded and hopeful. Now let's wrap this up. Picture Tom a year ago, tired, achy, and uneasy about tech tracking his life. Today, at 65, he's gardening, playing with his grandkids, and feeling in control. You can too. Here's your plan. Stretch each morning for energy, stand at your table for stronger joints, write and visualize for a sharper mind, sway in a doorway for balance, and sip water with lemon for your heart. Ignore these, and you risk more fatigue, falls, or even dependence on others. But embrace them, and you'll feel stronger, sharper, and freer. A 2023 study showed seniors using natural habits like these reported a 50% boost in quality of life. I want to hear from you. Comment your age and one health concern you're facing. I'll make a video tackling it just for you. If this inspired you, hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe to Quality Senior Living. Comment A if you loved this video, or B if it wasn't your style. What's one tip you'll try today? Drop it in the comments. As a doctor, I've seen countless seniors thrive without relying on tech. Here's the shocking truth. Your health is in your hands, not a device. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more ways to live strong and free. Stay healthy, stay empowered, and keep thriving.